Welcome back, guys. Here we will just go through a few examples for value return functions. So here we go. Just example uh, value return, and we are creating a function for some values. So definition here and the sum values. Here we go, and one number two value here, and this is just only return num1 plus num2, and just we can call function here the sum values here 5 and 10. Just when we just run all the, so it is returning the 15. By this way you can also just some standard way to call this function, just like a variable, create the result and then some values. Here we go, like 3 and 6, and then here just we can print the result. So if we call it, then it's 9. This is another way. So yeah, basically if we right now here we are not defining any type of the variables or these arguments, just only whatever it is. If we will pass the sum values, the strings like 1 and here 3, then what will be the it will just only the concatenate these strings and return it 1 3, this is why. But for as far as we don't declare the variable types in Python, this function could be used as numbers or the sequence together. We will add later on the checks for this, and also there are some break and continuous statements in our code which will help us to write the functions in a more depth, and just write the function to check the prime number. So this is another example, like def is prime, and here we pass the number, just a single parameter to it. What will be the just we can say follow the standard here. So this function used to check the prime number here, and here we can sorry, here we can loop in through this item in range, and here we go, and 2 and num. So if here we will pass the num, percentage n is equal to 0, then what happened, print, we can say like that, this num is not prime number. And the else case is here we can break it, and else case is, if we here see like that, print if that is not, then num is prime number. So here we go, and this is just only the function, and here we are just calling it check, call the function here is prime, and here we want to print the 13. So then see, 13 is a prime number. 13 is a prime number. So it just written why it is just only executing the loop in it in range 2 of num, and if num is equal to 0, then print num and then break. And the else condition we wrote over here, and if we put it here, then it will be just only the single call for this. So 13 is a prime number. So this was the mistake here. And also we can call the function with some like 16. 16 is not a prime.